8-foot wooden Christmas tree smaller. Perfect. Friends, in today's video, we're gonna make this 8-foot wooden Christmas tree a little bit smaller using 3 sheets of 1/4-inch plywood. Let's get into today's video.
Okay, to start off this project, I picked up 3 sheets of 1/4-inch plywood, 2 feet by 4 feet at my local Home Depot. I'm gonna make a line down the angle here, basically going from corner to corner, giving me 2 half triangles. And then I'm gonna draw out my tree shape. I'll cut it out with a jigsaw. I can decide from there if I wanna use those as my template or do the same thing and draw out individual trees on either of the other 2 boards and then cut them out, and then we'll start assembling. After I had 2 sides cut out, I used them as templates and just repeated the process. Okay, now that all of my pieces have been cut out and sanded, it's time to assemble. I'm gonna use zip ties, but you could use string or wire. I've used my gauge to show me what size zip tie I'm using so I know what pilot hole to drill. This is a 9/64. So I'm gonna clamp it all together, drill 1 hole at the top, the bottom, and 2 in the middle. And then we will put some zip ties in it and spread it out, and then it's pretty much done.
There it is, friends, the 4-foot mini version of the 8-foot wooden Christmas tree. It was as simple as cutting out a few sheets of plywood using my jigsaw, a sander to sand out any of the rough edges, and some zip ties to hold it together. It's compact, it folds up to store away. I love it. I'm pumped on it, and I feel like I should make a few more. Well, until next time, friends, when we do another fun project together.